Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to use Loox on Shopify, how to display all product reviews on one page on Shopify. So let's get started. To display all your store reviews on a dedicated page, or what we like to call a happy customers or review page, you need to log into your Shopify store. Once you're in your Shopify homepage, you need to create a new page. To do this, you click the online store menu, then pages. To create a new page, just click the add page button. Now choose the page Loox all reviews template right here. Then give this page a title, something like happy customers, and don't forget to click save now. For people to actually see this page, you need to add it to your store's navigation. To do this, you need to click the navigation menu here on the left, then choose the menu you want to add the page to and click add menu item. Now this name here is what people see on the menu itself, so let's call it happy. Then click rank pages and choose the page you just made. Click add and save now. Let's see it in action. Let's go to our store, click the happy customers page, and there you go, a single page showcasing all your happy customers, giving you strong social proof and a great way to help build trust with new customer that enters your store. So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.